Kia ora everybody, we're looking at question 4 of part 7b of our little Python program here. Diving straight into it, write a program that will ask the user to input their name. The response should be hello name with the first letter of the name in uppercase and the rest in lowercase. You'll need to think about how you determine which letters are to be in lowercase. So that's mostly the puzzle with this one. Last time we looked at a function called .lower, which took any character that was in uppercase, turned it to lowercase. And you can do the exact same thing in reverse with .upper. Let me show you how that works. Okay, and so we're back in REPL. Maybe I'll make that a bit bigger. And so I can say name equals input. Gosh, you've done this plenty of times now. She's really used to this. What is your name? And you line that. And we're going to go print, just to show you this working. This isn't a solution to the program yet, but just to show you this working, print name dot upper. See what that does. What is your name? I'm just going to say Ward for Mr. Ward. Great, and it's going to print out that same string all in uppercase. Okay, but I wanted hello, then the name, and I wanted only the first letter capitalized and the rest in lowercase. What am I going to do? Well, I'm going to say name is equal to name 0. Again, I'm indexing name using those square brackets. I'm indexing and I'm saying the first letter of whatever that was, the first letter of name dot upper. So I want that first letter in uppercase plus name, from the second letter, which of course index 1. Let's try that. This isn't going to work. Why not? I haven't printed anything. It's not going to show it to me. I'm going to go print hello, and then with some curlies, name. And of course, because I'm using those curlies there, I need an F at the start to make it an F string, functional string that's going to add in that name variable there. What is your name? Let's rerun that. What is my name? It is Mr. Ward. I'm just going to put Ward there for a moment. Oh, mistake. I have missed something very crucial. What I meant to put here was rather than name 1, rather than just the second letter in whatever name I put, I want the second letter all the way to the end. From the second letter to the end. And I say 1 colon. That means from the second letter, index 1, all the way to the end of that string. One more time. Lucky last. What is my name? Ward. There you go. It's capitalized the first letter. I could make this program a little bit more robust if I said name 1 to the end, dot lower. And I put dot lower there. And what that would do would be if I put any capitalization here, it would fix that capitalization at the end as well. So it would take any uppercase letters and turn them into lowercase letters as well. That's it. That's that question done. Nice and simple. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.